All right, what you're looking at right now is the perfect entry trading system on TradingView. This system, perfect entry trading system tool, it's based off of order flow and order block concepts, which is techniques used by the institutions to where you can find precise entries and exits in the market. This tool will tell you when to buy. As you can see here, it says buy. And as you can see, it went into an uptrend directly into profit. And then when the trend reverses or when the algorithmic concepts or the mechanics of the order flow starts to kick in, it'll tell you when it's bearish, going back down. It gives you your lower highs and lower lows, and it will tell you when to sell. And notice after this sell signal came in, it went into profit as well. Now, this tool can be used on all markets. Right now, we're looking at gold on a 4-hour chart, but it can also be used not only just for metals, it can be used for indices, it can be used for cryptocurrencies, it can be used for all foreign exchange pairs. It can even be used for stocks and commodities. And it can also be used on any time frame. Now, of course, the higher the time frame, the more precise or the more consistent the system will be. But if you want to find scalping entries, short-term trade ideas, or short-term trade signals, you can always change the time frame. So this is just a basic introduction on how the tool works, what it looks like, and if you're interested, let us know and we can get you contact and get you access to this amazing tool on TradingView. See you guys in the next video.